Hello there YouTube, doing a video showcasing my 3D printed mag loader for the Taurus PT-111 G2, or the G2C model. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I 3D print magazine sleeves for the extended round mags from the 6-hour PT-111. This happens to be the 15 round variant with a mag sleeve I printed for me. And as you know, loading these mags can be quite a chore, especially with the 12 round factory Taurus magazine. The last couple rounds can be quite difficult to get in there. So I made a speed loader to assist with pushing that follower down. And here is what it looks like. Is it a perfect example cosmetically? No, it's not perfect, but it functions fantastic and it's really durable. You can see the little follower, the little nub that pushes the casing down. I put a little stippling on the front as well as stippling on the rear of the G2 logo. Here, let me go ahead and show you how it works. I'm grabbing the factory 12 round Taurus magazine. What you do first is load one shell into the magazine, place this speed loader on top, and that pushes that first round down, gives you enough room to put one shell in, lift up on the speed loader, push back. Keep repeating this process until, let me get it out of the way there we go, until all the rounds are loaded. Here, let me do one more so you can see. It pushes that shell down, raise up, push back. To save video time, I won't do the rest of the magazine, but saves sore thumbs, especially if you have multiple magazines like me. I have the 2 factory magazines that came with it. I've got this 15 round magazine, I've got an 18 round Metgar, and a 32 round Pro Mag. So loading all those magazines can be quite a chore, and this speed loader saves a bunch of time. So right now I sell these on eBay. I will send the link to eBay in the video description below. I think right now they're currently selling for $6.99 shipped to your door. And if you buy multiple, you only pay that one shipping cost. So go check it out when you get a chance. Thanks guys. Have a good day.